I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace, fam. Thank you for coming to the channel. It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. So, look, here's the deal, man. I haven't been on in a while, but just shout out to everybody who's sharing, liking, subscribing. I reached over 4,500. I think I'm over 4,600 now, and I want to say that hey, look, you know what? Much appreciated to everybody who's rocking with me, who takes the time to subscribe and like and comment. It really helps for the YouTube algorithm because, you know, your boy's giving a lot of this information for free. So with that being said, get the free business credit ebook down below. If you haven't seen my step-by-step video, I'll put a link up here, okay, or up here, whichever one it is. And get that stuff now because I'm working on putting the course together, and I'm taking all the free stuff down, and I'm going to be delivering some material to all in the form of a course, okay? I haven't really decided the price for it, but I'll make it fair for everybody. And I'm going to be, one of the topics I'm definitely going to cover is business credit and maybe a few other things, but it's going to be about just making money, really. Some things that can benefit you on this path and this journey. So if there are any topics that you want me to cover more in depth to toss in the course, make sure to put them in the comments, okay? This is your opportunity right now to get your 2 cents in about what you feel I should be presenting to you all, okay? So boom, I'm going to be talking about more ways to actually where we're headed to in this current system, this current day and age with everybody, a lot going on right now with the economy from, you know, the health standpoint and whatever else. Okay, so just a lot going on. There's a lot going on. So I will be talking about more ways to build your currency up, build your for lack of a better term, your cash flow, your money. You know, that with the age that we're in right now, not even moving to that we're in right now. Okay, I'm gonna be talking about that as well as a couple other things. So like I said, I want to just say thank you for the 4,500, 4,600 subscribers. And if this information benefits you, then you know, hey, share it, like it, subscribe it. It really helps your boy out. So if you don't like it, hell, give it a dislike. You know what I mean? But just be active, and it just helps with the algorithms for everybody to share, like, and subscribe and whatnot. And I'm just going to reiterate one time: get the free business credit ebook while it's free, because after this course drops, you know, I'm stripping the free from that, and then I'm also going to be probably taking down that business credit step-by-step video. So go check that out. And you know, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to say I'm much appreciated to the fam, and stay tuned and drop down in them comments about anything that you want me to put in this course, and stay tuned for my updates on ways to actually make currency and make money right now from the crib, and learn about the age of currency that we in. So stay tuned. I'll be coming back more to you on a consistent basis. Just been juggling a few different things. So anyway, peace and abundance. I'm out.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?